So far we have seen the automata, finite state machine. Now we'll see the language accepted by the finite state machine. Terminology: FSM accepts a string and FSM recognizes a language. And also we can summarize that FSM can accept a string or reject a string. So notation will be like this: L of M1 means the language accepted by the mission 1. The language that M recognizes the set of strings over 0, 1 star. So if the alphabet set is 0, 1, then what are the possible set of strings accepted by the M1? M2, the set of strings over 0, 1 star that do not contain 0, 0, M1, 1. So the previous example we have continuing here. The language that accept that M1 recognizes the set of strings over 0, 1 star that contains 0, 0, 1, 1 as the substring. Substring means it may appear in the beginning, or it may appear at the end, or it may appear in the middle. Okay, anywhere it can appear. Exactly the string means it is rigid. If it is a substring means it may be prefix, or it may be the end of a given string, or it may be in the middle. It anywhere. So complementing a language, that means they are the sets after all. So L of M1 is equal to L of M2 complement. So same thing, just in a word what I have said was theoretical, as a mathematical representation they have given like this. So whenever a machine is accepting 0, 0, 1, 1 means a machine is not accepting 0, 0, 1, 1 means it is a complement of the language given thing. So the universe, all possible strings made with symbols from the alphabet sigma 0, 1, universe is 0, 1 star, either empty string or any number of combinations can be appeared. Set complement is always relative to some universe. So there is implicitly. What does this particular FSM recognizes? It can recognize what? So it recognizes 0, 1, and also it recognizes 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. It can also recognize 1, 0. Okay. So that means it can recognize 1, 0 and also can recognize 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, any number of zeros, 1. So that means it can accept the string which starts with starts with 0 and ends with 1, and also recognizes 1, 0. These are the two possible inputs: 1, 0 and 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, etc. Okay, will be accepted by the given string. So we can summarize it as 0 plus 1. So 0 plus means 1 or more occurrence. So the language can be defined like this: W, which is a given string or word. Okay. W is either 1, 0 or a string of at least 1, 0 followed by a single 1. So what about 1, 1, 1? So 1, 1, 1 is cannot be accepted. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. After that there is no transition. So only up to 1, 0 it will come, and since the string is not ended, this will be rejected. So both strings will be rejected. Now dead states. Dead states means after coming to a level, there is no further movement. Then we call them as the dead states. So sigma is a function formally must be defined as sigma of delta of c comma 1 is equal to what? So for some transitions are missing, add a dead state. So often prefer not to show dead state in state transition. The reason is dead state is nothing but sometimes the system may be hanged up. It may not move, either it may not recover back, or it may not close down, or it may not shut down. This is what the state it may go to. Sometimes there is no alternative state to go from there. So such states are said to be the dead states. So better not to define any dead state. This is not a good practice to represent dead states in the finite automata. So formal definition of computation, let M is equal to this one. Already we have seen the 5 tuple. Then W is equal to the W1, W2, W3 and so on, Wn be a string where Wi belongs to the alphabets. M accepts W if there is a sequence of states R0, R1, R2, and so on, Rn in Q, such that R0 is equal to Q0, which is the initial state, and delta of Ri, Wi plus 1 is equal to Ri. There is a possible next state, and while moving to the end of the string, if you reach the final state, then that particular word or string is that language is accepted by the machine or recognizes the machine. Recognize the language A by the machine M. So this is the formal definition that everyone can make note of this. A language is a regular language if the finite state machine accepts that language. So we have seen Chomsky hierarchy of grammar, in which the regular grammars, context-free grammars, context-sensitive, recursively enumerable. We have also seen that regular grammars are accepted by the finite automata. The language that is produced with the help of regular grammar is said to be the regular language. A language is a regular language if some finite state machine recognizes it. So here is a simple example, 0, 1, on which we have this finite, this particular string generated. Now WW. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is a word which we can consider as, and this is one word. And now here 6 zeros are there and 6 ones are there. We can call this language as L is equal to 0 power n, 1 power n, where n is greater than or equal to 6. So like that we can conclude one, summarize one statement. So which will indicate the language that is accepted by the finite machine. A simple example that we'll see, binary number that are divisible by 3. Sigma is equal to 0, 1, L is equal to, divisible by 3 means 3, 6, 9. These are the 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are the numbers that are usually divisible by 3. Now, if we can write in binary form, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. These are the binary representation for the given values, for the multiplication or the values that are divisible by 3. So we can scan a binary number that does each bit do the value. So if you look at we'll take 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is thing. 0 means 2 of x. 1 means 2 of x plus 1. So that means whenever you get the 0 at the end, that means it is divisible by 2. Okay. If you get 1 means that is 2x plus 1. So 3x means divisible by 3. 3x plus 1 is not divisible by 3. So if we see 0, 2 into 3x, okay, 2 into 3x, which is equal to, we can also call it as 3 of 2x, which is again, it's like a, you can swap this particular because of the multiplication. Now 2 of 3x plus 1, which is b, we can call it as b. That means 3 of 2x plus 2. Next one is 2 of 3x plus 2. This is 3 of 2x plus 1 plus 1. Next, if we see 1, then you take this particular 2 of x plus 1. Wherever x is there, you substitute 2 of 3x plus 1. Then it will become like this. So 3 of 2x plus 1, which is equal to b here. Next, 2 of 3x plus 1, which is equal to 3 of 2x plus 1. So 3 of 2x plus 1 is how it is looking like. It is looking like A. Now 2 of 3x plus 2 plus 1. Okay. 3x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to this one, which is looking like C. Now, 0 is the element that can be divided by 3. 0 is the element that can be divided by 3. So, whenever A is there, so that is D0 is the one which is divided by 3 also. So, when A is there, itself is the final state. So, whenever 0 comes, so upon 0, it will go into the final state. Now, upon 0, upon the initial state, if you get a 1, if you get 1, that is, if you add 1 to this, then it will go to the where it will go. Upon 1, if you add upon this particular state 3x initial state, if you add 1, it will go to the state B. So upon B, if you provide 0, it will go to the state C. So C. Upon C, if you supply 1, again it is going to the state C itself. Again upon C, if you supply 0, then it is going to the state B. Next, upon B, if you supply, this is the B, upon B, if you supply 1, it is going to state A. So that means with this table, we identify this is the DFA we are going to draw. So remainder, that is whenever you got the 0 as the remainder, this one. If you get the remainder as 1, then this is the state. If you get the remainder as 2, then this is the state. So that means if it is divisible by 3, that means we got 3 states here, because 0 is always divisible. 1 and 2. For 1 and 2, the 3 should not accept that particular string whenever we get the remainder as 1 or 2. So that is the reason whenever you get the 1 as the remainder, then it will be sending to the non-terminating state. If we get the 2 as the remainder, then it is going to again non-terminating state. So either 2 or 1 cannot be accepted. If you get 0 as the remainder, then it will be accepted. So the same technique you may also use for the binary numbers that are divisible by 5. You can take it as a homework and you can do it. So 2 of 5x, you make it and start working towards that. So you will get around 5 states, so that if you end up the remainder in 1 to 4, then that string will not be. If you might have got 1 3, okay, 0 1 1, so 0 1 1, so it is 3, so 3 divisible by 3. So just like that, this particular string is going to be accepted by the given machine. So this, with the same inspiration, for the if you get 0 and if you get 1, what is the state transition diagram that you can draw, which accepts the string that is divisible by 5.